Words of the day. Save the Earth. Frank Lloyd Wright. Opportunity to develop an architecture today lies with those sincere and direct people who, loving America for its own sake, live their own lives quietly, in touch with its manifold beauties, blessed by a comprehension of the ideal of freedom that founded this country. In our great United States, notwithstanding alleged rulers or any benign imported cultural influences, these spontaneous sons and daughters are the soul of our country. They are fresh, unspoiled life, and therefore they are your opportunity in art, just as you, the artists, are their opportunity. You will be their means to emerge from the conglomerate in between. And this brings us to the American ideal. This American ideal must be in architecture what it is in life. Why obscure the issue by any sophisticated aesthetics or involution with academic formula? The arts are only such media as we have for the direct expression of life, reacting in turn with joy-giving force upon that life itself, enriching all human experience to come. The arts in America are on free soil, and therefore all imperatively call for the creative artists. Words of the day. Save the Earth.